Hello. Then we'll talk about again the section views, section viewport. I just want to talk a little bit more about it. Um, Last time I just briefly introduced it. Um, there's just one more thing I wanted to say. For example, I have some, you know, I have some shapes, objects in here. Like just normal objects. And then if I go to top view, that's usually how we draw viewport. You go to view, you go to create viewport, you do that. But if you want to do section viewport, here is section viewport. Okay, that's what I want to talk about. So if you want to draw sections, you draw one line, you draw a line. So this is a line of the section. Okay, and then you can choose the directions. You just pick whatever direction and then double click. Then you will have a section. See here, this is the section markers, and then they will automatically create sections. You will see the issue. See here, I only want to make a section of this area, but what they do is, instead of they do, I only need this area, right? But what they do is they cut all of those all the way through. That's why you can see the if I select this again, here you can navigate to section viewport. That's why you see here that there are two parts. One is here, one is here. I don't need this. Okay, the reason is there's a hidden button, which is advanced properties. You'll see here to see this is a length range, this is a height range. In length range it says infinite. That's not what we want. Okay, make sure you select limited by section line length. If you click okay, and you update, they will do exactly the range of our section lines. That's what we really want. Okay, if you want longer, you can double click and then just drag it here, and then you change to the view, you update. See, there will be more. That's the key. Okay, just remember that. Okay, okay. For example, here I just drag it back all the way through, and if you go here, they will cut all of those. Okay,